In this video, we will see how to get 50% off in VidIQ for 2 months. To claim this discount, click on the first link in this video's description. This will bring you to the VidIQ page. Click on Login. Here, you can either enter your email and password or simply choose to log in with Google. Select the Gmail account associated with your VidIQ account, and then click Continue. Once you're logged in, you'll see this page. Click Upgrade to view the pricing plans. There are 3 plans available. Choose the monthly option here because the coupon codes don't apply to yearly plans. Since Boost is the most popular plan, we'll select it. Now, click Subscribe to Boost. Here, you'll find an option to add a promo code. Click it, enter VidCon, and either press Enter or click Apply. You'll notice we've received a 50% discount for 2 months. If this code doesn't work for you, try another one. The next code is Level Up, which again gives us 50% off for 2 months. Finally, you can also try Kickstart, and again, we receive the 50% discount. After applying the discount, enter your details here to complete your payment. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that generates animated captions for videos within seconds, then check the video on the left. If you want to know about an AI tool that can write SEO-optimized content for your website, then check the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.